After 60, many people quietly accept that broad, strong shoulders are gone forever. They start to notice it slowly. Their shoulders begin to shrink. Their posture changes without them realizing it. Even clothes stop fitting the same way. And sometimes they don't feel like themselves anymore. But here's something most people never hear. Modern science shows the body can still build muscle and regain strength far later in life than once believed. Even after 60, even after 70, the body still responds to the right kind of training. And the surprising part is this: you do not need heavy weights or dangerous workouts to do it. In fact, doing the wrong exercises is what often causes shoulder pain at this age. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 science-based tips to help rebuild stronger, wider-looking shoulders safely. These methods improve posture, support your joints, and help you feel stronger in daily life again. And stay with me until the end, because the 3rd tip is the one most people ignore. Yet it is the reason most people never see real results. Why shoulders change after 60? One of the first places aging shows up is the shoulders. Not suddenly but slowly over time. They begin to round forward. They lose shape. They start to look narrower. And most people don't even notice it happening at first. But then one day it becomes obvious. Even simple things like standing in photos start feeling different. Now here's the truth. It's not just age causing this. It's years of sitting. It's lack of movement. It's posture slowly shifting forward. And for many people, it's fear of injury that stops them from training. But here's the problem. The less you move, the weaker the shoulders become, the stiffer they get, the more posture collapses. It becomes a cycle. But here's the good news. Research shows adults over 60 can still build real muscle and strength. You may not train like a young athlete anymore, but you can absolutely rebuild strength, posture, and confidence. And this is important. Strong shoulders are not just about appearance. They help you carry things safely, reach overhead without pain, improve balance, and stay independent longer. Tip 1: train the side delts. Now let's start with the first science-based tip. Train the side delts. And this is where most people make a big mistake. They focus too much on the front of the shoulders. But the front delts already work all day long. Every time you push, lift, or reach forward, they are active. The real muscle that creates width is the side delts, and they are often completely ignored. One of the safest exercises is the lateral raise. Do not go heavy. Instead, use light weights. Even 5 to 10 pounds is enough. Now move slowly. Raise the arms to shoulder height. Pause for a second, then lower them slowly. No swinging, no rushing, just control. And if weights bother your shoulders, resistance bands work very well too. Now here's something interesting. After a few weeks, many people notice changes. Their posture improves. Their shoulders feel more stable, and daily movement feels easier. That is smart training. Not extreme effort, but consistent control. Tip 2: fix your posture. Now the second tip is posture. And honestly, this is one of the fastest ways to change how your shoulders look. Because even if you build muscle, bad posture can hide it completely. Rounded shoulders pull the body forward. The chest collapses inward. The neck moves ahead. And the body instantly looks older. But when posture improves, the change can be very fast. This is why upper back strength matters so much after 60. Years of sitting weaken these muscles. One of the best exercises is the band pull apart. Hold the band at chest level. Pull it apart slowly. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Then return with control. Simple movement, powerful effect. And many people notice something surprising. They don't just look better. They feel better. They stand taller naturally. They breathe easier. They move more confidently. That's the power of posture. And it is not only cosmetic. It also reduces stress on the shoulder joints. Tip 3: recovery builds results. Now here is the tip most people completely ignore. Recovery. And honestly, this may matter more than the workout itself, because muscles are not built during exercise. They are built after the workout, during recovery, and after 60 recovery slows down naturally. That is why so many people feel like their progress is slower, even when they are trying hard. But it is not effort that is missing. It is recovery. Protein plays a major role here. It helps rebuild damaged muscle fibers and supports strength gains. Foods like eggs, fish, chicken, yogurt, beans, and even simple protein shakes can make a real difference over time. Hydration is just as important. Even mild dehydration can reduce energy, increase stiffness, and slow down recovery without you realizing it. And then there is sleep. This is where real repair happens. During deep sleep, the body rebuilds muscle tissue, restores energy, and reduces inflammation. Poor sleep can slow all of this down significantly. That is why training every single day is not necessary. And in many cases, it can actually slow progress. For most people over 60, 2 to 3 focused shoulder sessions per week is more than enough. Because at this stage of life, the goal is not intensity. The goal is smart consistency. And here is something most people realize too late. The people who make the best progress are not the ones who train the hardest. They are the ones who recover the smartest. Because the body only grows when it has time to rebuild. Without that, even the best exercise plan will fall short. So remember this simple truth. Training creates the signal, but recovery creates the result. Strong shoulders are not just about appearance. They are about how you live your life every single day. They affect how you move, how you carry yourself, and even how confident you feel when you walk into a room. When your shoulders become stronger, your entire presence changes. You stand taller without thinking about it. You move with more stability, and everyday tasks start feeling easier again. And maybe most importantly, you begin to feel capable again. Now here is something powerful to remember. No matter your age, your body is still listening to you. It still responds to movement. It still adapts to training. And it still has the ability to improve. You do not need a perfect routine. You do not need extreme workouts. And you do not need to push yourself beyond your limits. You only need consistency repeated over time. Because small improvements may not feel like much today. But over weeks and months, they can completely change how your body feels, moves, and supports you. And that is the real goal. Not perfection, not speed, but long-term strength that supports your life. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to VitaSignal 60 for more science-based fitness and healthy aging content designed specifically for adults over 60. And comment below, what exercise has helped your shoulders the most so far? Your experience might help someone else take their first step. And remember this, it is never too late to become stronger than you were yesterday.